Hi, I'm Katie Webster. I'm the manager of federal government analytics at RS21, where we focus on using data and artificial intelligence to revolutionize decision making. This is a huge priority for the entire company, but it's also particularly important for our federal government portfolio. We work with a variety of federal partners, from TSA to CISA to FEMA. Um, but all of our clients, all of our federal clients are facing multiple different data challenges, right? And on one extreme, you might have the example that people more typically think of, which is there's not enough data, or the data is incomplete or missing in some major way. But on the other hand, right, there's another extreme which can be just as challenging, quite honestly. And that's where you have almost too much data, that clients are almost inundated, and it can be difficult to identify the signal through the noise, so to speak. And that's especially true if you've got data that's particularly messy. To make data easier for agencies to use, we focus on several strategies. Um, at the start, right, that really is things like data cleaning and data validation, right? Paying a lot of very precise attention to making sure that everything's in good working order. And then, of course, making sure that we're developing the most important insights, and paying very close attention when we're doing that to helping our clients understand the scope of the analysis. And one of the things that's often a concern is what's the level of confidence surrounding any results that we're talking about, right? How certain or uncertain are we of these findings? And then sometimes, right, these strategies involve identifying the places where, hey, here's an opportunity to really lean in and gather new information, gather new data to facilitate some additional insights. One of the examples that I really like to use with all of this is our work for CISA's COVID task force. This is work where we've been really focused on helping policymakers understand how the pandemic has threatened our nation's critical infrastructure. It's a situation where the data is rapidly evolving. It often looks quite different across space, so from one location to the next, and over time. So often fluctuations not just from month to month or week to week, but even day to day. And that requires on our part a lot of attention to detail, a lot of precision, in diligence to really ensure that not only are we providing the most up-to-date analysis, that the data is properly cleaned and validated so that any potential discrepancies are identified and addressed, and that we're able to help our clients understand the most current insights and identify where there might be knowledge gaps that might need to be addressed. And so, one of the takeaways that I think is so important is that to really deliver excellent analysis, it's not just enough to deliver the analysis, but that it's so pivotal to make sure that the foundation is there and that the foundation is solid. By focusing on data preparation and data readiness, that is really how federal agencies can best set themselves up for success and the ability to deliver those mission insights that are so critical to success.